What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So for this video, I wanted to go over another credit card, but this time it's an exclusive credit card. One credit card that a lot of people would kill to own. I hope that they wouldn't kill because that would be bad. But it's a credit card that everybody would want to own, just like the Black Card. And the card that I'm talking about is the $10 million card, the Palladium card, the JP Morgan Reserve card. So before I start, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the video. So stick around to the end to hear all of the different details. So I wanted to talk about the JP Morgan Reserve card because it is such a beautiful card and I love beautiful cards. If you don't know by now, I am a collector of credit cards. I would like to collect every single credit card that's out there. Obviously, I want to get something in return, so I don't want to just collect the credit cards. I want to get some sort of benefit out of it. This, along with the Black Card, along with other exclusive cards I would love to have. So let's stop talking about how much I want the card and let's actually get into the details of the card and how you can get one yourself. So let's jump into it. So if you don't know what the JP Morgan Reserve card is, it's an exclusive card to which it's an invite only card. And it was introduced in 2009 as the Palladium card, which was known as a very exclusive card just like it is today. It was basically made for people who have like a high net worth, similar to the Black Card. You have a high net worth there, you have a high net worth here. But like I said, it's an invitation only card and you only get invited if you have $10 million in assets invested in JP Morgan. So this is why it's called the $10 million card, because you need $10 million invested. Now, I've heard of some people who don't have $10 million invested. They found their ways around it. I'm going to stick with this story because that's what's out there. So let's go ahead and keep that. So like I've been saying throughout the beginning of the video is that the closest comparison to that card is the Amex Black Card. If you haven't seen my Amex Black Card video, I'll link that up in the cards. The only thing that differs between the two is the fact that you have, you know, a lower annual fee here and a higher annual fee there, depending on how many cards you have. So there's also some other differences, but that's the main difference that you can look at. Amex Black Card is $2,500 and this one I'm about to get into. The JP Morgan Reserve card has an annual fee of $595. That's lower than the annual fee of the Black Card, which is $2,500, like I said before. So it's a pretty steep fee no matter what you're looking at, it's pretty steep. But it's well worth it when we get into the details. So this card has no spending limit and it also offers you the same perks as the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. You get 3 times points on travel worldwide, 3 times points on dining. You get a $300 annual travel credit. You also have no blackout dates or restrictions. So if there's a seat on the flight, you get that, you can book it. You also have the Chase Ultimate Rewards that are transferable to 11 hotel and airline partners. You have VIP access to events and experiences. You have purchase protection, price protection, extended warranty protection. You have so many different things in this card. And I mean, I can see why, right? You're getting so much and you are a select group of people who own this card. Now, if you're talking about the actual look and feel of the card, the weight of the card is 27 grams. If you haven't seen my heaviest credit card video, I'll post that up in the card so you can see that and every card that's on that list. Just to kind of spoil it for you, the JP Morgan Reserve card is the heaviest card that's on there at 27 grams. So this is a really good card. I would love to have this card. I would love to be able to flex on some people or just have a subtle flex, I guess. So this is a great card and I just wanted to get into all of the different details and tell you how you can get it. The only way that you can really get it, and there have been rumors of other ways that you can get it, but I'm not going to get into that. So the only way that I know is a clear-cut way of getting it is having $10 million invested in JP Morgan in the form of assets, any type of investment really, just $10 million and you can get an invitation for this card. Like I said, there's other ways that other people have gotten around it, but still not going to get into it. So that's it for this video. I didn't want to drag this video on for too long, but I just wanted to give you all the details to an exclusive card that is out there if you are a credit card person. And I would just like to really own this card. And it does have a lot of benefits to where you can make up for the $595 annual fee. So it's not a really bad card when you think of it. There are other exclusive cards that they call exclusive that literally aren't worth it. And I'm not going to get into those right now, but this one is actually worth it. It gives you some good perks. It has a decent annual fee, and you can really get your value out of it. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway, which every 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. So put your name in the hat. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, like this video and as many videos as you can, comment on this video and let me know what your favorite credit card is, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.